मित्रांनो, हे जे चित्र आपण पाहतात हे चित्र एका चायनीज फिशिंग नेट्स आहे. या नेट्सच्या मदतीनं कोचीन शहराच्या समुद्र किनाऱ्यावरती मासे पकडले जातात. हे मासे शक्यतो या जाळ्यातनं रात्रीच्याला मासे सर्वात जास्त पकडले जातात. दिवसा काही कमी प्रमाणात मासे या जाळ्यातून पकडले जातात. चायनीज फिशिंग नेटच्या या जाळ्याच्या ठिकाणी मी भेट दिली. मला आलेले अनुभव, त्या व्यक्तींशी केलेली बातचीत मी आपणासमोर व्हिडिओच्या स्वरूपामध्ये सादर करत आहे. सुरुवातीला मी एका फिशिंग नेटच्या जाळ्याच्या ओनरला मला हे मासे जवळून पाहायचे, नेटचे जाळं जवळून पाहायचे असा आग्रह केला होता. परंतु त्या ठिकाणी त्यांनी मला जाण्यासाठी मज्जाव केला. त्यानंतर मी दुसऱ्या जाळ्याच्या एका ओनरला भेटलो आणि त्यांनी त्या ठिकाणी मला जाण्यासाठी परवानगी दिली. तर हेच ते फिशिंग नेट्सचे ओनर. या ठिकाणी असणारे हे आजूबाजूचं साहित्य जे की त्या माणसांचा उपयोगी पडत असतो.
Yes. Thank you. Sir, what is the name of this fish? This
Chinese fishing net.
Chinese fishing net.
Chinese fishing net.
Okay. When you start this fishing?
Now starting the night time.
Night time.
Day is not the working.
Huh?
Day not the working.
Oh,
Only night working.
only night work.
Now starting the night time 11 o'clock now starting.
11 start. Okay. Thank you very much. Wow. Super. Thank you. It is very dangerous to see, and ये तो बहुत ही डेंजरस है. वाओ. It is very dangerous. Thank you.
Maybe.
Yes. Can I go here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You from?
Maharashtra. Yes. Are you from here? Native residents of here?
I am here only
Okay.
3-4 kilometers.
How many years you are doing this work?
My 40 years.
40 years. How many fish you catch one day?
This name small catching.
Oh.
Only one day working 3 kg, 4 kg.
Oh,
Season time.
this is the Chinese nets. Okay. Thank you, sir. तो अभी आप देख रहे हैं
Arabian Sea.
ये अरेबियन सी है क्या? दिस इज अरेबियन सी.
Yes.
ओके.
That's a river.
हाँ,
River.
दिस इज रिवर.
River.
ओके.
44 river here, Yandan Sea river.
44 rivers are here. Okay, come from here.
Yes.
And
Okay. So, White Canal.
yes.
Yes. Container terminal.
Okay, good.
All unloading, loading,
Okay.
contain many country here.
Okay. Can you speak Hindi?
No,
No, you can speak only Malayalam and English. Okay.
you can not study.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
My friend is explaining
Oh.
English,
Okay.
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay.
Kambe.
Can you tell me the Vasco da Gama point? Where is Vasco da Gama point? Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama church is here. Only 5 minutes.
5 minutes here.
Look
No,
here.
long ago, the Vasco da Gama was come here. Which
Yes.
is that point?
Vasco da Gama square.
Oh, yes. Is this Vasco da Gama square?
Yes, square.
Okay, that's great.
അതൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
And which is that point? What is the name of that point?
Excuse me.
Yes.
I will completely explain for this one.
Oh, thank you.
This one actually, this called is Chinese fishing net.
Okay.
But why telling the Chinese fishing net?
Yes.
This introducing from China.
Okay.
That man name is Mr. Kublai Khan. Yes. Mongolian.
Oh,
That is the old name is telling the Chinese fishing net.
yes.
So you can see the blue net. This net only China.
Yes. You bring from China?
China.
Okay.
Balance and development in construction, counter Portuguese technologies also.
Okay.
3D, 40th century, 700 years old.
Wow.
But this food guarantees only 6 years, 7 years.
This food from?
This food is teakwood.
Okay.
This would complete in 6 years, 7 years guarantee.
Okay.
Then after complete the changing.
Okay.
I am not the changing expense complete my owner.
Okay.
We are 5 people labor.
Okay.
The whatever catching, 30% give the owner,
Okay.
70% divide the fishermen's.
Okay.
Because this is not the season.
Okay.
This is monsoon time.
Okay.
Season is summer is better fishing day.
Okay.
This time is only helping for the tourists.
Okay.
Come to the tourists, take the photographs, anything good gift for us.
Yes. Yes.
That you are running this time family.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Then after the 2 months, not the working here.
Okay.
Very difficult time in fishermen.
Wow.
So good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You have given a lot of information for me.
Thank you.
There I was tried to go on in that fishing net, but they did not give me permission to go there. But you have given me permission to see this. Thank you. I come from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Yes. What are you doing in Maharashtra?
In Nanded district. Yes. Do you know about Maharashtra?
I will come there before 6 years now
6 years ago.
in Dadar.
Dadar, Mumbai. Yes. In future, if you come,
Only construction section work is there.
Okay. Yes, thank you, sir. I will take up some photo. Yeah.
Come to here the Fort Kochi, Red Cemetery.
Okay. Yes.
And bodies, then after Goa people go to the they take the Goa state.
Okay. Goa state. Sure. What is the name of that part?
That is that one.
What
That is Waipin Island.
Waipin
Waipin Island.
Or I thought our fee.
No. Only running the water.
I thought our boat is running, but water is running here now. Okay. I thought, how he's actually is going there, but water is going. Okay. I will see that Vasco da Gama point and which points I can see here.
There is this one Fort Kochi, and this is only 7-10 minutes walking. That's complete sea here.
Yes. Thank you, sir. I will take photo. What are the names of that fishes?
And silverfish, mullet, tigerfish, and catfish, boing fish. That is the naturally actually available that way.
Okay. And what is the price of that fishes?
Then that 350, 400. That is the minimum charges. Small.
Which fish is cheapest?
The best fishes and pomfret and tiger brown.
Okay.
And big mullet.
Okay.
That is the best.
Which fish have more demand in here?
Demand is pomfret.
Pomfret. Okay. Can you show that pomfret? Is there available?
No.
Okay.
That one deep sea fishing.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
चायनीज फिश नेटच्या मदतीने रात्रीच्याला मासे पकडले जातात. दिवसा खूपच कमी प्रमाणात मासे पकडले जातात, पण तरीही सध्या बघा हे जाळं या ठिकाणी पाण्यामध्ये सोडलं जात आहे आणि मासे पकडले जात आहेत. बघूयात या जाळ्यातून किती मासे पकडले जातात आणि कोणकोणत्या प्रकारची मासे या जाळ्यामध्ये सापडतात हे आपण या ठिकाणी बघूयात. त्याचप्रमाणे ही मासे पकडण्याची पद्धत काय आहे ती पण थोड्या प्रमाणात आपण समजून घेऊया. हे बघा जाळं सध्या पाण्यामध्ये खोलवर जात आहे.
There you can see.
जी जाळं खालती सोडवण्यात आलं होतं ते जाळं आता हे बघा 5-7 व्यक्ती एकदम ताकद लावून ते जाळं आता ओढत आहेत. पुन्हा जाळं या ठिकाणी आता आतमध्ये सोडलं जात आहे. हे आपण बघत आहात. त्या जाळ्याला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे खूप मोठमोठे दगड लावलेले आहेत. त्या दगडामुळं पूर्णपणे हळूहळू ते वरती जातात जाळे.